that one
Yes.
is what we call the winter padding. Now, I'm sure you've walked around job sites or construction sites and saw people in winter either with a hoodie putting the hood on, or either with some kind of starter cap or a bonnet or whatever, and then having the traditional helmet
Yes.
with the suspension
Yes.
kind of like dangling on top of their head.
Yeah, no, it's rocking now because it's
Exactly,
not
without a
snug fit.
chin strap.
Yeah, yeah.
So imagine what happens if these people slip, fall, or trip. The helmet would most likely hit the floor before they do, and that's what we're trying to avoid here. So what we've done is, and I've showed you before the little clips, well, as soon as it goes really cold, what we do, and before I'm going to do it because it's going to look a little bit weird, to have a sombrero on here and together with winter padding. So I'm just going to take this one off.
Good for snow protection.
It could also be for snow protection, yeah, for if you don't want the flakes to hit your face. So I'm going to take this one off and put it here for a while. And I'm just going to put this one in. So what we're going to do, and I also need to remove this one over here. So as you can see, the entire inner padding is taken out because we don't want to build up layers, which in the end will end up as well with a helmet which is just too high on your head. We just want that to be as close as possible still, with all the comfort I just explained. So what we're going to do, we're going to insert this by using exactly the same little clips, the same little red dots, and I just need to widen this a little, like here. And then on the front, it goes exactly
Right, yeah.
where the sweatband used to be. So again, also washable, also replaceable as much as you like. And the beauty of it is, it's going to feel exactly the same, but it's going to be a lot warmer because it has a merino wool in a layer. So I'm just going to open this a little bit wider for you, and I invite you to use this again and then adjust it the way you like it. Here you go.
We'll give this one a go. It's a different helmet from what I wore last time.
So
I've got such a big head. Okay, it's like I've got my own snood
yeah.
going on in my head there.
So if I can just make a little bit of an adjustment. Yeah.
It covers your ears as well.
Yeah.
That's fabulous. Yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
I can see
so
that.
you can probably feel immediately the way you're insulated.
Yeah, I totally feel covered with my ears as well.
Yeah. So from sheer winds or anything that might distract you, because cold stress is a distractor on a job site.
Yeah.
And anyone who's like getting that chill is concerned about how they feel. Their focus is off whatever they're doing, and it might cause a hazardous situation. So yeah.
No, that's brilliant. Well, I won't do the chin strap on this one, but
you might need to adjust a little bit. Yeah, exactly. So yeah.
You feel snug actually, and you feel even though I haven't got the chin strap on, and I know I should, friends, before you put any comments at the bottom. But it doesn't feel like you were describing. It's going to fall off if I put my
exactly.
beanie on underneath a traditional hat.
Yes.